Hi guys, so today I'm gonna try a new restaurant. It just opened like maybe a couple of months ago. It was called Palm Beach Brisket and Barbecue. I I'm always craving for a good smoked brisket. It's hard to get it down here in Florida. So I saw this on I think on Facebook or somewhere on social media. So I'm so excited to try it. Let's go.
That was amazing. Thank you.
Thank
Definitely
you,
that.
appreciate it, thank you.
Have a good day.
More
Thank you.
than 25. Some of the big- Take another picture, snap, please.
Hey folks, so I'm back here. I'm ready to dig into this delicious. This is a brisket, and then it came with a look at this. All the meat here, big bun of bread bun. This is a huge sandwich with pickles. That's extra brisket right there, and then coleslaw. And then the very nice lady there asked me what kind of sauce, and I said, I leave it to her for recommendation. So she gave me all three sauce. I believe one is a sweet sauce, and then the other is a maybe one is barbecue sauce, and the other is a habanero. It's a spicy sauce. Someone try all three. And then the other sandwich that I order is the pulled pork right here. Big chunk of pulled pork, delicious. It looks very juicy, and came with pickles and also the coleslaw. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. My goodness. Mmm. So delicious. Mmm. I think this is a spicy sauce. I'm gonna try a little bit. Put on the brisket and see what happens. Actually, this is a sweet sauce, more like a sweet and sour. Maybe this is a spicy one. Let's see. This is so good, delicious. Yep. This is a bad boy. Delicious. And this is the power the barbecue sauce. Folks, I'm telling you, you gotta try it. It's so delicious. I almost finished it. I shared with my wife. We had I was majority. I ate the brisket, and then my wife was having the pulled pork, and I have a taste of the pulled pork also. So for me, there's no comparison. The brisket is the king. It's the best, because it has a fatty part, and I love fatty meat, and it was just unbelievable, very flavorful. I mean, don't get me wrong, the pulled pork is delicious as well, but for me, again, there's no comparison. Brisket is the king. And out of the three sauce, I love the well, the first one is actually this is a sweet and sour sauce. And this is I didn't even test this one. I can figure that was a barbecue sauce. And then the third one we finish it. It's the habanero, the spicy sauce. It's not that spicy though. It has a little bit kick, but it's not that like you're gonna burn your tongue. It's not like that. So we ate the whole brisket. We have some left over. We cannot finish it. The pulled pork, almost half is gone. It's delicious. It's just we have small appetite. We can't eat it no more. I mean, we're gonna eat that later, and that's almost gone. The habanero sauce, it's almost gone. So again, this is. I mean, I'm going back there again. Definitely, most definitely, it's highly recommend. How much is it? Let me see the bill. Yeah, the total bill was like 28.87. It's very reasonable. So that is two brisket, medium pulled pork. Oh, did they give us the chips? No chips?
No chips.
Ah, they forgot to give us. They forgot to give me the chips, but that's okay. Maybe they didn't give me the chip. Maybe they give me the what do you call that? The coleslaw instead. Oh, the coleslaw was delicious.
And the pickle.
That was delicious. So okay, so I can't complain with that. Thank you, Samantha. The server she was very nice. The lady was helping me was quite very nice.